Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's episode, I have already finished the work I'm about ready to show you. I had to do the work first and then show you what I did. As you can see, I am sweaty, I'm tired, and I have been experiencing pain today. So much so I had to take a break and lay down for quite a while. So I couldn't walk you through a normal video. So I hope you enjoy me showing you what I was able to accomplish today. So let's get to the video. I thought I had the camera on showing you me laying down the chicken wire and covering everything up, but unfortunately I did not. I hope you all enjoyed the video today. Um, I've done way too much over the last 24 hours and I'm paying for it. Um, I had to put a back pain patch on today because I am truly paying for it. And my lower extremities, not well either. Um, I've had some medical challenges over the past couple of years with having tears in both my MCLs, having problems with both my feet, shins, well, not shins, but my Achilles and all that, this, that, and the other. So I can't always do what I'd like to do for the length of time that I'd like to do it. And so I just had to get the work done today. There are hummingbirds flying around. It's kind of late for them. Anyway, if you like the video, do me a favor, hit that like button. I told you all in a previous video that I was having some issues with something trying to live up under the shed. And so I finally was able to finish the project by getting both sides, the back and the front side, completed. I had done the front and the back side, but it took me several days to be able to finish it. And because it's taken me so long, I'm feeling the agony of it all. And so I hope you liked it. If you are experiencing any kind of pests that are burrowing up under structures that you have in your garden, maybe this can help somebody out there. It's not perfect. It is right now preventing whatever it is from getting back under there. I haven't seen hide nor hair of whatever it was. I still have pests in the garden. I'm seeing signs of the rodents again. I'm putting the bait out and the bait is gone missing in 3 areas. So I'm still at it, y'all. This is the good, bad, and the ugly of gardening. I do live in an urban area, but this is heavily surrounded by farms. This was farmland. And like I mentioned many times before, they have now sold off sections over here and over there. They have cleared it and they are slowly but surely getting houses up. And so all that disturbance will cause whatever is living in that pasture area, that uncut grass and all the stuff that they clear, that causes those animals to have to find other places to live. And so if you find that you're living in a relatively new area, or if you're living in an area, even if it's not new and there is construction going on, there will be displacement. And we have to figure out how to navigate that. I would love to just buy a new piece of land, something much larger that I can put a barn on and do a whole lot of things other than what I'm doing. But right now I can't do that. And so I have to learn to live with what I have. And what I have is more than what many people have. So I am working towards getting rid of those things that are causing my garden some issues. The sun is hotter this year than it was last year, and a lot of my plants are suffering. I'm moving things around. I'm trying to cover as much as possible. I'm trying to get some things off of my house. I've had my green stalks up against my home, and I find that if there are a lot of obstacles for me due to sometimes my limited mobility, if there are a lot of obstacles, it's hard for me to do things. And so I'm trying to spread things out and put them in areas where it's easier for me to get to. I can come across the patio here because I walk to my door, so I can water right there. I can water on the end over there. The stuff at the farthest end of the patio, I can water that. When I'm starting to put things behind the table, the chairs and all that get in the way, and it's a lot. So with all that to say, I did a lot today, a lot more than what I'm showing you in this video. And in the next video, I will give you all a tour and you'll see what I've been up to, because in between showing you what I've done today, resting, I've come back out and done a few more things. So until the next time, I hope you guys are out in your gardens. I hope you are saving seed, bartering for seed, purchasing seed as best you can. Hopefully you're getting some deals. I hope that you are able to acquire free, gently used put on the side of the road, discarded, whatever, to be able to grow in the space that you're in. You're only limited by your imagination when it comes to growing. I don't have the prettiest of gardens. I grow in a lot of containers. I did tell you all I have issues with pests, so growing in the ground is an issue. Something has been getting into the back garden, so I've had to cover up 2 containers. So it's a constant. So grow the best way you can, but grow, grow, grow. All right, everybody. It's late. It's getting late. It's probably almost 8 o'clock. The sun is going down, and I've had a full afternoon because I spent the entire day not doing anything besides just resting because I just couldn't do it. So until the next video, which will more than likely be a tour or maybe a haul, I'm not sure, but I've got 2 of those things I would like to show you. Or maybe I'm putting something in the garden that I talked to you guys about several videos ago. So I've got 3 videos of stuff that I'm going to be showing you all. So up until then, have a great day. Have a great night. Mosquitoes, flies. Ugh. Whenever you see this video, and I hope that this helps someone fix some pests in your garden. Up until then, bye for now.